All right, guys, so we're going to talk about evaluating exponential expressions. So on your homework, you're going to have to write them in expanded form and then just multiply them out. So two things to remember. There's only two steps to evaluating exponential expressions. Write them in expanded form and then multiply out that expanded form. So quick question, what is expanded form? Remember yesterday when we were writing exponential expressions, we took 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 and said that that was 6 to the 5th. So the expanded form, like we talked about, is where you write it all long ways out, write out the multiplication. The other one is called your exponential form because it actually contains the exponent. So today, you're going to go the opposite. You're going to go from exponential form, write them in expanded, and then just multiply them out. So for example, we have 5 squared. If we write 5 squared, or 5 to the 2nd power, expanded, we're going to write 5 times 5. All we're going to do after that is multiply it out and we get 25. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. However, as you go farther into the homework, it gets a little bit more complicated. So let's take a look at example 2. On example 2, we have 3 to the 4th power. So we're going to write that in expanded form. That's the first thing we're going to do. So we would write 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. As you can see, the expanded form is a little bit longer, so we have a little bit more multiplication to do. So the first thing I'm going to do is multiply these first two 3's. 3 times 3. I get 9. Then I'm going to multiply the second set of 3's. So I still have the 3 times 3. Again, I get a 9. To get my final answer, I still have to multiply those two 9's together. So now we have 9 times 9. So to evaluate, 3 to the 4th power gives us 81. So what I want you guys to do is do the exact same steps on your paper, write them in expanded form and multiply for the rest of the questions.